Hi, I'm Annalise Reyes. Today I will be talking to you about my construction site prop box. To begin, we're going to start off with I'm going to explain to you the books that I chose for my prop box. The first one is Hooray for Construction Workers by Kurt Waldendorf. This book explains the role of construction workers on the construction job site. So this is a great way to be able to explain to your students about how a construction worker performs their ins and outs of their job every day, the importance of safety, all those good things. The second book that I chose is Mighty Mighty Construction Site. This book demonstrates how various machines and trucks work on a construction site. Alrighty, so my construction site prop box. I have all my items inside. Let's take a look. Alrighty, so some of the things that the students will need for safety, I feel this strongly about them able to understand. One is a safety vest. So this is to be able to provide attention for everyone to see each other, especially during when equipment is moving. So I would recommend as a teacher to be able to demonstrate for the students how it would look, and of course they'll see it in their book as well. Another thing I would recommend is a hard hat, is what we also have in here. So to protect your head from any falling debris. We have safety gloves. The students will have a little bit of a smaller version, of course. And then we also have safety glasses. Safety glasses. Caution tape. So that way the students can be able to tape off any hazardous areas. This would be really cool. And then I have some Legos, good size Legos for them to be able to use. They do come in different sizes as well. Keep it in the bag just to kind of keep it organized. And I did get some plastic tools for the students to work with. Comes with a screwdriver, wrench. And for one of the fine motor skills, what you can have your students do is take a nail and drive it into this. And you just take away the hammer and then plug it in. They also do have screws where you can be able to help work on, or the students actually can work on their fine motor skills as well, screwing in the screw. And that is all in my prop box. Thank you.